In a town of 600 people, growing is big business.
This is a selection of Asclepias tuberosa.
What started in 1958 with a single greenhouse, Harlan Hammernick and his family have grown a humble, small-town business into a nationwide operation.
He actually tore down an old glass greenhouse in Lincoln, and they rebuilt it here in Clarkson and started to grow a few annuals and a few cut flowers.
Today, Bluebird Nursery grows 1,500 different varieties of plants across multiple greenhouses that stretch the length of 6 football fields.
It all starts with the production plan. They look at the last 3 or 4 or 5 years of what we sold in a particular year and start their production planning.
Starting from seed, cuttings, or transplant, timing is everything.
Is it something that we can do by seed? Do we have time? Is it done by cuttings? Do we have the cuttings ourselves? Can we source the cuttings from Puerto Rico or Guatemala? Can we make their ship date?
Inside the greenhouse, plant production depends on precision, experience, but most of all, people.
The most important person in the greenhouse is the person on the end of the hose. They control your quality. They're looking at the plant material. They're thinking about what the weather's going to be today and what it's going to be this coming weekend.
Every detail matters. Sunlight, temperature, moisture levels, all monitored by the caretakers at Bluebird Nursery.
Bluebird means a lot. I mean, it's been home base from day one. We're just a small family that everybody knows everything about everybody and kind of the glue that holds a town together.
Generations have grown up here, landing their first job, with some staying for decades. The real challenge begins when the plants are ready to leave.
Monday is the farther states, and then we work our way in so that everything is delivered by Friday.
Every week, hundreds of boxes and massive pallets leave Clarkson for destinations across the country.
Some with our own trucks, some in small box with FedEx. It's not uncommon for us to pack 20, 25 pallets in a day, almost 8 feet tall. We can get a lot of material out of here with a small crew pretty quickly.
It's a very busy place. It's a hectic place. There's a lot of changing priorities. We don't ship when it's going to be cold or when it's going to be extremely hot. We know a transit route goes through a mountain pass in Wyoming. We have to consider that in orders that are going to the West Coast. There's just a lot of details.
Every detail calculated, so each plant arrives alive and thriving.
These boxes go all over the country. We ship to as far west as California and as far east as Maine, Massachusetts, and down to Florida.
It's just fulfilling to know that there's a need for the plant material that we grow across the country.
With a business model that extends coast to coast, Bluebird's real passion is closer to home.
This was Harlan's dream, and he needed somebody to do the rest of this work. And so here we are, 50, 60 years later, still plugging away at it, getting it done.
I'm fortunate to work with a really good group of people. I always felt fortunate to be able to live in my hometown. That's the thing I'm most ecstatic about, to be a part of the community, to raise my kids here, to watch my grandkids grow up here. That to me is really special.
From Clarkson, Nebraska to garden centers and outdoor spaces across the nation, Bluebird Nursery, rooted in tradition and carried forward by the people who make it happen.